Shadow Paranormal were here. Was it Wednesday, wasn't it?
I'm not sure, can't remember now, it was last week.
Sorry?
Well, a couple of guys, their group, Shadow Paranormal, they came here on their own.
Oh, did they?
And they got an astounding EVP.
Had they?
Yeah, but they never spotted him, which is a bit odd. And they played back the video, they never heard him. Jenny had to tell them. In fact, it sounded like salad, and then like deer, but then you think it could be a name, don't you, Jen?
Well, I thought it said Sally A.
Sally A.
Sally Ann. That name rings a bell.
It was a very creepy sounding voice as well. Male voice, wasn't it?
Yeah,
It's quite creepy sounding. You put a link on it for Eddie to have a look.
yeah.
It's on.
It's quite creepy to listen to.
It's on the Shadow Paranormal's site, is it? Have to have a look.
It's on,
Is it on their Facebook page?
it's on, I don't, it's Ghost Jace something. Untold something. But I
You
can
should,
share the video in a messenger with you.
Yeah, that'd be good.
yeah, do that. Do that for me as well. I'd like to see it again. It's quite a creepy voice. About 4 minutes in, isn't it, in the video? You with us, Mary? Is Walter holding you back again? Right, we're going to go soon. Are you pleased? Do you want to be left alone now?
Oh, the car, yeah.
That would have been good otherwise.
Got a really lovely whistle last time we were here.
What, sorry?
Whistle, really nice. Downtowns.
Did you go in the box near me to make it light up? I don't like it towards the dog area. Your face looks so different from here, Eddie, and oh, your face is changing.
No longer covered in a beard.
It's like morphing in the darkness, you know.
Mm-mm.
So, well, I hope we got something like the cameras in here on its own.
I hope so.
That's me. That'll be interesting. Got to move now. I'm going to turn this pod off. I can see it.
I'm really sad for tomorrow. It'll be the last car boot sale of the year.
Oh no.
Yeah. It's
They're
horrible.
they're still going, are they?
Yeah. It's horrible. That long wait from November through February, May.
Is it very busy?
Sorry?
Is it very busy this time of year?
It's starting to really sort of die down a little bit now, unfortunately. I was, yeah, I was. I'm getting one if that's the door there actually at first. For you about, sorry. Oh dear, excuse me. I yawned. Let's see how spooky it sounds, shall we?
Sorry?
See how spooky it sounds.
What's that?
Sounded lovely. I didn't think that.
All they're attracted is the train.
Sign of a misspent youth playing Tomb Raider. But I just love the theme music. Did someone say something just then?
No.
Cool. Thank you.
I did breathe out.
No, it's a voice, male voice. And again. I think we may have brought him to life.
It's so much like a shadow bending over. It's against that
Sorry?
wall there.
You got it again, have you?
He looks like a bishop
I thought that,
with
actually.
a hunched back.
Yeah, I thought
So what does everybody think of it today, this evening? Interesting?
Yeah, it's been
Yeah.
Do you think we got something tonight?
Oh, I think we have, yeah.
All right.
We've certainly heard other voices anyway, but it's not us.
Time to go shop.
Excuse me. I've then heard one tap of a footstep.
Got some for you, Sarah. Oh, got power bank on.
Dean, do you know what pencil it
Yes, there. Okay. One thing we did, make sure we don't do anything at home. Well, that's not recorded. You okay?
Ah, I just need to remember something.
Still getting stuff in?
Sorry?
Got any voices?
Yeah, I put the battery down along by the side of me. I just now remembered to pick it up.
I'll be extremely surprised if you had to comment tonight.
I'd be extremely surprised.
I reckon we've got some little gems tonight. I don't know why. I'm feeling the water.
Whoa. Yeah. Right, let's get down then.
You right, Eddie? Got some lights?
Yeah. That's all right. Oh, ow, 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 ow.
Yeah, we'll keep that going while we're doing
Yeah, I always say keep it going until you're the end. You can walk out the door.
Yes, sir. Your battery's talking on that. Yeah, it's in the
I tell you what I did get a lot. Time before last at the car boot sale. Got a 1987 air show calendar. They're all been signed by the pilots.
Really?
Yeah, including the Blackbird.
That is cool.
And I paid 20p for it.
Really?
Yeah.
Definitely.
So Eddie was fairly happy with that one.
Got this RSC card, do you?
Yeah, it's in
Wine over there.
yeah. Check the views. Got a little longer,
It's in my bag, I booked it.
Did you get your bell?
Sorry?
Did you get your bell?
Got the bell.
Yeah. Anything up top there?
Seems pretty clear now. Lovely old shit. I do like this. Right then.
Just your wine.
Yeah.
What you Scooby
Hmm?
do? What you Scooby do?
50 years old this year.
What the characters are?
Yeah. Scooby-Doo started 50 years ago.
Really?
Yep. I know. We've got
I'm just going to chuck this outside on the grass.
Scooby on one side. I've got a ghosty on the other. Just put a quid inside there, I think. Ugh. Can you shine a torch this way? Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, I've got any change. How often do they do that cash box?
Hmm?
How often do they empty that?
I'll have to see.
They've got a bit of change, yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, crikey, that's looking quite high up.
Get in there. Yeah. Fortunately. Do you want
Yeah, well done.
Get in there.
Indeed. Well, we wait and see what we got on the recorder.
Goodbye, Reverend. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you, Walter. Best respects.
Good night.
Good night, everyone. Thank you for allowing us into your church.
They're probably all saying in a grumpy voice, we bloody didn't. Hey? Having a chat, I hear.